Here I've got a OnePlus 60 and let me show you how to activate night mode on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the settings. Now scroll down, pick and select display, and now under sleep you will notice night mode. So just click on it, and here you can turn on night mode just by tapping on this switcher, and as you can see it has been activated, and you can change the strength, so you can pick some warmer and cooler colors. You can also select turn on automatically option, so you can schedule your night mode, just tap on turn on automatically, and now you can either pick automatically enable from sunset to sunrise, or you can custom time range. So just open it, and now let me show you how to set it up. So firstly you have to select the start hour, so when should it be turned on, maybe at 9 p.m. Tap on OK, so it will be the start time, and then 2, so let's set up the end time, it can be 6 a.m. And from now on this night mode will be automatically activated between 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. and 6 a.m. and obviously you can switch it off over here. So that's it, now you can use your night mode whenever you want to. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.